Hello viewers, I am here with my video on The Tempest, Act 2, Scene 1. In this video, I will explain from line 185 to line number 230. So let us start with entry of Ariel after line 185. Up to line 185, we just read a conversation among Antonio, Sebastian and Gonzalo of lighter matter. But now, with the entry of Ariel, you know, the slave of or the servant of, loyal servant of Prospero. So when Ariel appears, there is something to happen, something serious to happen. So enter Ariel, invisible, playing solemn music. So Ariel is invisible. It means whoever is present on the stage cannot see him. So, but he is playing a very soft music. Sebastian, we would sow and then go a bad fowling. Sebastian and Antonio had been irritated by the comments of Gonzalo. So Sebastian is in bad mood. Therefore, he says that, okay, now we would go for bat fowling. Bat fowling is a kind of bird catching. It's a very old cruel method of catching the birds by using some bats or poles. So now we would go. It means Sebastian wants to come out of that irritation by doing something else. But Antonio understands the mood of Sebastian and say, nay, good my lord, be not angry. Antonio calls him my lord, my good lord, don't be angry. So we can understand that Antonio is having some projection in his mind. Now Gonzalo say, no, I warrant you, I will not adventure my discretion so weakly. 190, line number 190. He says that I warrant you, means I assure you that I will not adventure my discretion so weakly. Means in such a weak manner, I am not going to risk my reputation. Nobody can take me so lightly. Will you laugh me asleep, for I am very heavy. Actually, I am feeling heavy with sleep. I want to sleep, so you can laugh so that I can fall to sleep. So in a way, he is still trying to irritate both of them. So Antonio says, go sleep and hear us. Okay, you want to sleep? Better you go to sleep, but we will continue talking. So you can hear us in your sleep. All sleep except Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio. So now all these people, Gonzalo and other courtiers, so everybody falls to deep sleep. But Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio are still awake. Actually, they all sleep because of the impact of that solemn music played by Ariel. So Ariel has come with an objective. Alonso is not able to sleep. That's why he says, what? All so soon asleep? I wish mine eyes would with themselves shut up my thoughts. I find they are inclined to do so. Alonso says, what is this? So strange. All people have slept so quickly and together they all have slept so sound. Anyways, I wish that my eyes also could close themselves by closing all my thoughts. It means if I close my eyes, if I shut my eyes, even then my thoughts are just striking against my mind. So I wish that my thoughts could stop, so my eyes would also fall to sleep. But just then he also feels the touch of Ariel's music. He does not know that it is the music. Actually, he also feels the same drowsiness that is felt by Gonzalo and others. So he says that they are inclined to do so. Yes, my eyes also want to sleep. Sebastian at once say, please you sir, do not omit the heavy offer of it. It seldom visits sorrow. When it doth, it is a comforter. So when Alonso says that my eyes also seem to feel drowsiness, so Sebastian says, sir, if you are feeling sleepy, so better you go for sleep. Don't omit this heavy offer. Offer refers to means the sleep is giving you an offer, a very good offer. So don't waste this opportunity. Better you go to sleep. Because whenever a man is in sorrow, is in some kind of grief, so very rarely he can fall to sleep. Okay, a person in grief cannot sleep well. But whenever he feels drowsiness or he feels sleep, so that sleep brings comfort to the man. So better you go to sleep, because you are in a grief, now you are feeling drowsy, go to sleep. Antonio, we too, my lord, will guard your person while you take your rest and watch your safety. Antonio assures him that better you go to sleep, we both will keep awake. I and Sebastian will keep awake and we will guard you. Means we will just work like a watchman for you. Better you can take rest without any tension. Alonso, thank you, wondrous heavy. Alonso says that okay, thank you for this offer, and I am feeling very much sleepy or drowsiness. A very heavy sleep is on me now. Alonso sleeps at once, and as soon as Alonso sleeps, Ariel exits, because Ariel has done his work. So now who are awake? The two persons, Sebastian and Antonio. And you will see that now another subplot of this play will open. Sebastian says, what a strange drowsiness possesses them. When Sebastian looks at all the people in deep sleep, they all have fallen flat on the ground and have slept. So he says that what kind of strange drowsiness has possessed all of these people? It is very strange that they all have slept together in deep sleep. But Antonio says it is the quality of the climate. He says nothing to feel surprised. Maybe the climate is so pleasant that they all have fallen asleep so together. But Sebastian says, why? Doth it not then our eyelids sing? He says, if it is the impact of climate, so it means that impact should be on both of us also. We should also fall to sleep. But why it is not making us feel drowsy? I find not myself disposed to sleep. मुझे तो बिल्कुल भी नींद नहीं आ रही. I am not feeling any kind of drowsiness in my eyes. I am not inclined to sleep. My eyes don't seem to be feeling sleepy. Antonio, no, right. My spirits are nimble. Antonio says, yes, my eyes also are not feeling sleepy. Even my all spirits means my all sense organs are quite alert. They seem to be quite awake. They fell together all as by consent. They dropped as by a thunderstorm. In line 210, you can see. Antonio also makes a comment on the way all these people have slept together. He says that they all have slept together as if they consented to sleep together, as if they had planned to sleep together. They have dropped in such a manner on the ground as if they all are uprooted by thunderstroke. All the trees are uprooted by thunderstroke, and when they fall flat on the ground, same way these people are falling flat on the ground. What might were they, Sebastian? Oh, what might, no more. And yet methinks I see it in thy face. These lines are very important. Now, Antonio starts to work on his plan. He has another plan in his mind, another conspiracy in his mind, and he starts to work on this. He say, what might worthy Sebastian? Oh, what might. So the hyphens, some gaps are there. So he speaks these words, what could my worthy Sebastian, etc. But no more, I will not speak anything about it. Methinks I see it in thy face. But still I feel that I can see this on your face. Thy face refers to face of Sebastian. I can see it on your face. What thou shouldest be. I can see on your face what you actually should be. Worthy Sebastian, what you actually should be, I can see on your face. The occasion speaks thee, and my strong imagination sees a crown dropping on thy head. Line number 215. He says, actually this occasion speaks thee. This occasion is giving you an offer. It is providing an offer to you, and my strong imagination can see a crown on your head. I see that a crown is coming down and setting on your head. Sebastian, what? Are thou waking? Sebastian hears that Antonio is saying something, but it is not clear. He asks, what? Are you still waking? Are you not sleeping? Antonio says, do you not hear me speak? Antonio says, oh, you did not hear me what I said. I have just said something. So, have you not heard it? Sebastian, I do. I do means, yes, I heard. And surely it is a sleepy language. Line number 220. He says, yes, I heard you. And I'm sure that whatever you said, you were speaking it all in your sleep. I think that you have slept well, you are in a deep sleep, and whatever you said was a sleepy language. Thou speakest out of thy sleep. You were speaking in your sleep. What is it thou didst say? तुम पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे थे. I don't know what you were saying. I could not understand. This is a strange repose to be asleep with eyes wide open. You are in a very strange repose means sleep. Your slumber is very strange. You are asleep, but your eyes are wide open. Standing, speaking, moving. You are standing, you are speaking, you are moving in your sleep even. Okay, this is a walking sleep. So you are talking, but still you are sleeping. I just don't understand what kind of strange sleep you are enjoying right now. Antonio replies in line number 225. Noble Sebastian, thou lettest thy fortune sleep, die, rather winkest while thou art waking. Antonio says, Noble Sebastian, actually you are trying to make your fortune sleep forever. Since you are not paying attention to my words and you think that I am also sleeping, so it means you are trying to send your fortune sleep forever. Rather winkest while thou art waking. Rather you are keeping your eyes closed while you are waking. You are waking, you are not sleeping, but still you have closed your eyes. Actually he means to tell him that you have closed your eyes to the opportunity which is provided to you by Goddess Fortune. But you are pushing Goddess Fortune to go for sleep forever. So indirectly he is trying to manipulate the mind of Sebastian, against whom you will come to know later. Sebastian says, thou dost know distinctly there is meaning in thy snores. Sebastian says, you are snoring distinctly. Yani ki the way you are talking or the way you are breathing, it is different. It is quite clear that there is something deep in your breathing. It means you want to convey something to me. I can understand it. Antonio in line number 230. I am more serious than my custom. You must be so too. If heed me, wish to do trouble thee over. Antonio says, yes. Generally, I am not so serious. Right now, I am very much serious than my natural course of action. In my natural way, in my routine way, I do not become so serious as I am now. And you also must be so serious. Yani कि whatever I am going to tell you, you must take my words seriously, just like me. If heed me, wish to do trouble thee over. If you heed me, yani कि if you pay attention to my words, if you listen to me carefully and act accordingly, so I can tell you that you will become 3 times greater than what you are. Yani कि you will achieve 3 times more importance, or you will achieve 3 times more fortune than what you are having in your possession. Okay, so in a way, if you pay attention to my words, you will get 3 times greater than your present position. Sebastian says, well, I am standing water. Sebastian is lured. He is flattered by Antonio. He gets ready to hear. He say, okay, well, I am ready. I am standing water means I will listen to you without movement, without any interruption. So I am standing water refers to I am as stagnant. I am not flowing with my thoughts now. I am ready to just listen to you. And Antonio say, I will teach you how to flow. So Antonio says, yes, be stagnant like standing water, and I will tell you how to flow. Okay, I will tell you which course of you can say flow you should take now. So now Antonio is going to manipulate Sebastian against his own brother King Alonso. How he will manipulate him, we will read in our next video. Thank you viewers for watching the video. I hope it will help you. Thank you.